कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगदवनप्रौढदावाग्निमीडे वासुदेवो महाविष्णुर्वामनो वासवो वसुः भालचन्द्रनिभो बालो बलभद्रोऽखिलाधिपः बलिबन्धनकृद्वेधा वरेण्यो वेदवित्कविः वेदकर्ता वेदरूपो वेद्यो वेदपरिप्लुतः वेदाङ्गो वेदवेदेशो बलाधारो बलार्दनः अविकारो वरेशश्च वरदो वरुणाधिपः वीरः च बृहद्वारो वन्दितः परमेश्वरः आत्मा च परमात्मा च प्रत्यगात्मा वियत्परः पद्मनाभः पद्मनिधिः पद्महस्तो गदाधरः परमः परभूतश्च पुरुषोत्तम ईश्वरः।
बसवलिंगाय नमः। श्रीमन्निरंजन प्रणव गुरुमहंत स्वामीಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮಿಸಿ ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಧನ್ವಂತರಾಯ ನಮಃ. Very good morning one and all. Today we are here for the inaugural function of Amruta Beshaj 2020 national level webinar organized by Department of Rashastra and Beshaj Kalpana, Sri Vijay Mahantesha Ayurvedic Medical College, Ilkal. We have eminent speakers from all over India. They are giving presentation from 30th July 2020 to 20th August 2020. Now I heartily welcome management and board members of Sri Vijay Mahantesha Vidyavardhaka Sangha Ilkal. Also I welcome Dr. K.C. Das Sir, Principal, Sri Vijay Mahantesha Ayurvedic Medical College, Ilkal. And warm welcome to eminent speakers of Amruta Beshaj 2020. And I welcome all staff members of Sri Vijay Mahantesha Ayurvedic Medical College, Ilkal. Lastly, I welcome to faculty members, PG scholars and UG students of different colleges and also our students for Amruta Beshaj 2020 National Webinar. Thank you. Now I request to Dr. K.C. Das Sir for inaugural speech. Over to you, sir.
ओम श्री गुरु बसवलिंगाय नमः। मैं प्रणाम to Dr. Mahanta Swamiji and my pranam to Sri Guru Mahanta Swamiji, Chitragi Sansthan Math Ilkal, and Guru Mahanta Swamiji, the President of Sri Vijay Mahantesh Vidyavardhaka Sangha Ilkal. Today I am very happy that the Rasa Shastra and Bhaishaja Kalpana department has arranged a national level webinar series, that is Amruta Bhaishaja 2020. So I am extremely happy and I am thankful to the HOD Dr. N.C. Sudi and Dr. Anupama Vijal Madam, Dr. S.N. Gotur sir. They have taken an initiation to start this program. This program will start on July 30th and will end on August 20th. And for this proposal, there are total number of speakers are 17. So in this occasion, I welcome to all the staff members of Rasa Shastra department and all my teaching and non-teaching staff members for their kind cooperation to success this program, because without the cooperation of the staff members, it is not possible. And I welcome the management persons, those who are behind it, and for their support only, it is possible to conduct the webinar series. So in this regard, I welcome to Honorable Chairman, Vice Chairman, Vice President, and Secretary of SPM BB Sangha. I also welcome our Honorable Chairman of SPM Ayurvedic Medical College and Honorable Chairman of R.P. Reddy Ayurvedic Hospital. All these things we are arranged by the blessings of His Holiness Sri Vijay Mahanta Swamiji. And till today we have completed the national level webinar series of Kaya Chikitsa department, of Dravyaguna department, and Swasthavaruddha department, Roga Nidhan department, Prasuti Tantra Stri Roga department, Shalya Tantra department, and Salakya Tantra department, and Samhita Siddhanta department. For the Salakya Tantra department and Samhita Siddhanta department, we have completed the 2 webinar series. And for Salakya Tantra also we have completed 1 international webinar series. Now the Panchakarma webinar series is going on. And today we have started the Rasa Shastra and Vaishyaja Kalpana national level webinar series, that is Amrita Vaishyaja 2020. So we have total eminent speakers, 17 eminent speakers from all over India. The speakers are from different states. From 7 states, the speakers are there. That is Karnataka state, Gujarat state, Punjab state, Himachal state, Rajasthan state, Uttar Pradesh state, and Maharashtra state. These are the 7 states where we have the eminent speakers of 17 speakers. And one more thing I would like to tell, that we have total 30 intake capacity in a year. We have total 90 intake capacity in a year. That is for the UG 60 intake, and for PG we have 30 intake. We have the postgraduate department in 6 subjects or 6 departments. That is Kaya Chikitsa department, Panchakarma department, Shalya Tantra department, Salakya Tantra department, Prasuti Tantra and Stri Roga department, and Samhita Siddhanta department. These are the 6 departments. We have the PG studies, and each department has 5 intake. The total for PG 30 intake and UG 60 intake. So every year our intake capacity in our institution is 90. So in this Amrita Vaishyaja 2020, I welcome to all the management persons, all my teaching and non-teaching staff members, and all the students of our institution, and also the students of other institutions, those who are interested for this Amrita Vaishyaja 2020. And also I would like to mention here that the students of our institute and other than our institute, those who will link and they will listen from first day to last day, we shall issue them the e-certificate to each and every student. So the department will arrange for their registration, and those who are interested, they may do the registration, and we shall provide them the e-certificate on behalf of our institution. So once again, I am very much thankful and welcome to the departmental staff members and Professor Sudi for their initiation to start this program. And today we have the 17 eminent speakers, and I welcome all the 17 eminent speakers. They are Dr. Vikram Shivappa, Professor and HOD, Department of Rasa Shastra एवं वैशज्य कल्पना, Sri Sri College of Ayurveda Science and Research Hospital, Bangalore. Dr. Jagdish G. Mitri, Professor, Department of Rasa Shastra एवं वैशज्य कल्पना, JSS Ayurveda Medical College, Mysore. Dr. Sanjay Bausaheb Kedekar, Associate Professor, Department of Rasashastra एवं वैशज्य कल्पना, सप्तशृंगी आयुर्वेद मेडिकल कॉलेज, नासिक, महाराष्ट्र. Dr. Dinesh Kumar Mishra, Professor and HOD, Department of Rasashastra and Vaishajya Kalpana, ALN Rao Memorial Ayurvedic College, Kuppa, Karnataka. Dr. Praveen Guleria, Professor and HOD, Department of Rasashastra एवं वैशज्य कल्पना, Shahid Kartar Singh, Sarava Ayurvedic Medical College, Sarava, Ludhiana, Punjab. Dr. Sushant Kumar Mahapatra, Professor and HOD of Rasashastra and Vaishajya Kalpana, G.J. Patel Institute of Ayurvedic Studies and Research, that is Anand, Gujarat. Dr. Prashant B. Bedarkar, Associate Professor, Department of Rasashastra एवं वैशज्य कल्पना, IPGT and RA, Gujarat Ayurveda University, Jamnagar. Dr. Guru Prasad Nile, Assistant Professor, Department of Rasashastra एवं वैशज्य कल्पना, Faculty of Ayurveda, Institute of Medical Science, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Dr. Harsha N.M., Principal and Medical Superintendent, Shiva Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, that is Himachal Pradesh. Vaidya Bharat Bhai Deep Kalsaria, Principal and Medical Superintendent, Government Ayurvedic Medical College, Vadodara, Gujarat. Dr. Kasinath Hajimur, Associate Professor, Department of Rasashastra एवं वैशज्य कल्पना, BLDS AVS Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya, Vijaypur, Karnataka. Dr. Srinivas A. Wadiyar, Proprietor, Pawan Pharmaceuticals and Consultant, Maitri Ayurveda, Vijaypur, Pawan Pharmaceuticals, Vijaypur, Karnataka. Mr. Shobhanath Yadav, M. Pharma, PhD, Pharmacy Manager, National Institute of Ayurveda Pharmacy, that is Rajasthan. Dr. Sakita K.S., lecturer, Department of Rasashastra and Vaishya Kalpana, National Institute of Ayurveda, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Dr. Surekha Medikari, Professor, Department of Rasashastra एवं वैशज कल्पना, Government Ayurveda Medical College, Bangalore, Karnataka. Dr. M. Gopikrishna, Professor and HOD, Department of Rasashastra एवं वैशज कल्पना, Sri Gopisiddheswara Ayurveda Medical College and Postgraduate Research Center, Koppal, Karnataka. Dr. Prashant G. Jadar, Dean Faculty of Ayurveda, Department of Rasashastra एवं वैशज कल्पना, KLA Academy of Higher Education and Research, Sri BMK Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya, Shahapur, Belgaum, Karnataka. So these are the eminent persons, 17 speakers of different states of India. I welcome to all of you, sir, to our esteemed institution, and you have accepted our invitation and give your kind consent. So I am very much thankful to all of you. And one more thing I want to tell you, that you are the very legend of Ayurveda, philosopher of Ayurveda, that is Rasashastra and Vaishya Kalpana. So one thing I want to tell, that the Vaishya Kalpana Rasashastra department is I think the very most important department, like the Dravyaguna also, for the Ayurvedic practitioners, actually those who will practice in Ayurveda. They should have the knowledge regarding the Dravyaguna and Rasashastra, because we are preparing, and there is the Shodhana Kalpana, Shodhana, Marana, Sattopatana, and so many things are there, where it depends very much importance during the practice life, those who are doing practice, because now so many things or so many persons are telling that these are the metallic preparations and there is chances of the renal failure, the liver dysfunction, like that. But actually those will go according to the Shastriya Paddhati. So I think there is no hazards to the patients. And there are so many things. If the Shodhan procedure will be corrected, then it will be beneficial for the patients. So it is a very important department and important thing. And those who are the practitioners, they should take their special interest for this Rasashastra and Vaishya Kalpana webinar series, so that they will have a knowledge and they will have a very good practice in their practice life. So as per my knowledge, this Vaishya Kalpana and Rasashastra, very important role in the Ayurvedic field. And I hope all the 7 speakers are very much interested, and they will deliver their very nice speech to our students, and for also it will help for our teaching staff members. Once again, on behalf of our management, on behalf of our teaching and non-teaching staff members, and on behalf of me, my warm welcome to all of you to our esteemed institution. I hope for all the success of this webinar series. Thank you. Thank you.
प्रधानं पृथिवी पद्मं पद्मनाभः प्रियप्रदः सर्वेशः सर्वगः सर्वः सर्ववित् सर्वतः परः सर्वस्य जगतो धाम सर्वदर्शी च सर्वभृत् सर्वानुग्रहकृद्देवः सर्वभूतहृदि स्थितः सर्वपः सर्वपूज्यश्च सर्वदेव नमस्कृतः सर्वस्य जगतो मूलं सकलो निष्कलो नलः।